Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Rated. Today we are going to talk about the trades which I have taken today in the London session. Let me just show you. This was a really nice trade which I took after the equity session just opened. I bought over here and I took almost 8.6 risk reward ratio. This is very unusual, but you see, I had a major bias for buys here. Let me just do that. So initially I had a major bias for buys. I marked this earlier. uh, Friday was an inside day, and as soon as the market breaks out the high of this, there is some bias triggered over here. But what happened before that is that every week makes a trap at the end of the week. Okay, so this week, last week started Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This was consolidation inside days, 3 days, 4 days of consolidation. After this breakout structure, market was consolidating, and then there was Thursday. On Thursday in the Asian session, there was trap for the shorts. After this short trap, as you can see, market is was making lower lows and low highs, and then again this was the entry area which I did not take because I'm not trading on a longer time frame. But as a day trader, I waited for the right opportunity. Okay, I was busy last week, so I was not on the screen. But yesterday, as I um, happened to be making back testing and reviewing my trades, so I marked up this chart and looked that market is already in a buying area, buying direction. Okay, so market was moving up, and today in the London session we got the opportunity to buy, and we got this trade, a really great trade. Looking back at the current time, New York session has just opened. Let me just go back and let's see on the lower time frame. New York just opened. We have a news around here, 7:30 ISM Services PMI news. So 15 minutes remaining in that. In the meantime, let's see what market is doing here. I'm on the 3 minute time frame, and market is making after making this peak formation over here, right? This peak formation, market is making higher highs, sorry, lower lows, lower highs, like that. Okay, and in this Brinks session, market made a range, and when the New York equity session opened, market broke out of that range. So let me just mark out that low as a low, and we can go ahead on the 1 minute time frame, and we can also look for the buys setup over here. But again we have a range. Okay, we're not taking any trades at the moment because it's not a clear entry at the moment. So we'll wait for the right opportunity, and let me just mark the news area as well. So we'll wait for the news, I guess, because this is also a high and low market has just made after the equity session open. This is high and low, and we have the high of the equity session opening area over here, right? So let's see. So market is moving down, and I guess we'll see some action after that. Made market is making higher highs and higher lows over here inside this range. Okay, one push, second push, third push. We can go short. Let's see if market goes above this. My network is not stable today, I guess. This is why I'm facing some kind of voice lag. So market is doing progress. I guess it has broke out of this high. Let's say if this breaks out the opening price of the equity session. So we have a break of structure after the equity session. So market is also creating these low hanging fruits over here, as you can see, right? This is all the liquidities which market we can take in one sweep. So as I am very new to this going live on YouTube, just experimenting with the trades. I guess there is no viewers yet. But anyway, I guess, this is the good time to pass my time while I wait for the trades. So market has just broke the opening price of the equity session. Let's see what 15 minutes is doing. So I'll stream this till the news, and then we'll go offline. Looks like we do not have trade uh, before the news. We cannot trade because the volatility can. So we could have shorted here, but as you can see, we did not short because the news is around. So news is around the corner. Let's see how market reacts to that. Only a few minutes remaining in the news. I don't know why my live stream is not working, man. I'm just getting frustrated. So let's see how this goes. News is in 1 minute. Now it's live. Market push down, and there is a gap down as well. As I said, that this is liquidity building up before the news. There is a lot of fluctuation in the network, and there's a big latency period as well. Uh, I'll fix that in my next stream. So for now, we have the scandal, which is the new scandal, and we have another breakdown candle. So there is a gap. So I'm closing the stream now because it's uh, there is network fluctuation, and I will see you in the next one.